Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulette. The game was.
Yes, babes. Just reach home. It's after 5, going towards 6. You know, evening is very bright. It's very bright. And look, AC always around. Now this a place, so AC always around, peeps. A good thing in Jamaica, we have JPS, because JPS would have killed the landlord. Yeah. So yes, peeps, as I say, just reach home and now cook up on the one to cook. Come here, fish. I have a big jackfish that I got yesterday, so now I put that. Yes. Yeah. Now I put on jelly today. Now I give jelly a break today. Have it tomorrow. Yeah. But I can't bother. I go fit go in the house and come back. And pick it. Yeah, I just feel lazy. But anyway, I'm gonna go cook. So what I'm gonna cook this evening, I think I'm gonna escovitch. I'm gonna escovitch the jackfish and fry some dumpling. Yeah, I fry some dumpling. Long time in a fried dumpling. Long time in a fried dumpling. I mean, I normally love fried dumpling. Don't fried dumpling, I love. My mommy used to fry dumpling and pop choy. I love that. So I fry dumpling with the fish. I was saying I get one breadfruit, but I said change my mind for the breadfruit. So I say I have the fish. I mean dumpling, I should say. Fried dumpling. Yeah. I wonder if jelly are young or so then just look. Because sometimes jelly not really grow big, you know. But they look young still. And this is a very young jelly tree. And peeps, see meringue? You know this is a meringue? This is a meringue and I use it as a line stick. Somebody just cut it and jam it there and it just grow. See? Anyway, you jam meringue easy to catch. Because now this is now a tree. And somebody just uses a line stick and it become a tree now. Just like that. And every time I look, peeps, from before I leave go to Jamaica, I pick some noni and put it in a bag for drain and I forgot to strain them off. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it this evening. Yeah, because I normally do it and put it in a bottle and like take a teaspoon or so of it because it's good for you. Yeah. I have a bottle of roots with noni too. So I have a whole heap of choices. You have to take care of your body because your health is your wealth. So yes, peeps, as I say, I cook up some. I'm only cook up this evening. Yeah, so the fish must be frozen. So I'm going to take it to the fridge now and show you the whole procedure and cut up anything. Stick and stay. No go nowhere. On fire, hold the fire. Yes, peeps. This is the jackfish. Now I'll give me mic, so hopefully it's very clear. Yeah, man. Yeah.
You ought to seen that fucking mess that sink was in, right? I mean,
why?
I don't know.
Who cooking it last?
I don't know who
cooking it last? I think I cooked last night more than him. One of these
place that looks so fucking nasty. Sink everything with powder.
Yeah, man, they're not clean.
And then all down on the floor, the stuff they.
I don't know how they do it.
Man, when I came, I was a bugbo. I didn't know who it was, but
yeah.
I can't remember. And then they leave the wood daughter dishes all over the fucking place.
Yeah, man, I really.
But I mean, when you finish with the kitchen cleaning,
I know you alone and use it.
The sink had looked so disgusting, right? All this, like the goop and all that stuff that was still in the fucking sink. I said,
I know you alone and use it. It's so freaking selfish.
I mean, and look at your elbow on the floor.
Yeah. Go on. And you have to share with some people, you see? It's a mess. When you have it, you can see my jackfish. Yeah. I take it out and leave it from morning. That is well frozen peeps. Then you want to bring a rubbish bag. Because this now is can't hold water without me. This can't hold the water. Because I don't got no container that is this big to hold it in. Put it in this. see. Alright, so I have all that big heady knife. And then I use the egg boil some soup with some meringue. Yes, please. I'm gonna use this egg to boil some soup and they show me with some meringue and some coconut milk. Some pumpkin. The soup never mad. Yeah. I normally do that. Yes, please. So I'm gonna pull up this water and go and thaw this. Yes, people tell me how some people selfish in here and use the kitchen and mess up the kitchen and leave it same place. I mean, some people just, I don't know, disgusting. So people make that stay a little bit and then I cut up the season. So big up Cameron Family TV, yes, and Dream Island TV. Yeah, cause Cameron family, Cameron I hear him say something, and me I say, I'm gonna do it. As in, when I Escovitch fish, you don't really have to like cook up the carrots and onion. What you can do, cut it up and leave it in the vinegar for at least half an hour, and that's good. Yes, so Cameron, big up yourself, yeah. For that, I gotta put in the information there, cause you know I'm gonna do it from early. Make the fish go and thaw out. Big up yourself, Cameron. Yeah. Enough love and respect, brother. So yes, peeps, I'm gonna cut up onion and carrot and sit now. Meanwhile, the fish go and thaw out. Yeah, the fish are thaw out. So I'm gonna cut up the meal. So as I said, peeps, Cameron family. Cameron teach me something different. And I really have to cook up the onion. And just cut up the onion and put my vinegar with it. And the dish same with half an hour and you're good to go. So big up yourself, Cameron. Big up yourself and your wife, Empress Sheba. Yeah. Tips, I'll use some coconut onion, guys, purple onion. This is the onion that I have today to use. So this is what I'm going to use. Yeah, that one look like it's spoiled soft. I'm going to use the one pepper, yeah? Taste piece like this. You see the one in there and it's hot. It's very hot. Like that. So normally, pepper they're not hot to make it a supermarket, but I want to add a local pepper this, that's why. Yeah. So you know, after angling this pepper, if me ever forgot that I was angling pepper and then I go pee, hey, I'll be in trouble. Yeah, I'll be in trouble. That's good. So, in my one, I like sweet pepper in it. Of course, sweet pepper can eat raw also. So I'm gonna cut it thin. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this sweet pepper real thin. I like when I cut up and have a bag, so I have less cleaning up to do when I'm done. Yes, yes. I say I have a big jackfish to deal with. And I go have some flour if I don't need. Yeah. I got some flour to go need from. This is a bro. You can say bro. That's it. So this is it. this is it. Cut up the onion. Cut the onion bit. More onion, sweet pepper, aka bell pepper. Fine, as I said, not really fine, but small, thin. Put it real thin. And then it's a carrot time now. As for carrot, what I do is scrape carrots. I normally scrape my carrot. And I really peel the side and scrape the side up. I normally this not deep, because I normally have more cleaning up to do. I'm not like that, unless I scrape on the counter. I'm going to have more cleaning up to do more than anything else. Anyway, I'll do this here. Yeah. And this, I realize I'm not forget another mic. No, I have 3 more mic, but I have 3 mics. But one of them I normally use regularly. Mash up, phone drop. And the thing I connect to the phone drop with it. So I use it when I realize they broke. And then the other 3 of my house, 2 of my house, then dead. So just put them for charge. Can you believe that? So hopefully, charge before fix so I can get them to use. I realize that when I'm talking and I'm moving up and down the aisle, you can hear me properly. Like of my mic and yeah. That's it, so now then I also imported carrot and then can get our Cayman. It's not like Jamaica. Cayman don't have work of farmland really. So then I plant enough food to supply the country, so I don't do a lot of imports. Otherwise, Jamaica, you can get a local one from St. Elizabeth, even though St. Elizabeth get a beaten by the storm. Big beaten. Let's keep so. So I'm going to cut up the carrot, become fast. Peeps realize cooking in a really and a vegetable, you know, because I will cut up the season now and then I will cut up the fish and I can knead flour before I start cook. So in all the preparation for one person with more time. Especially when you have to do it alone and you have to record. It's not easy. It's not easy, but I definitely love it. Yeah, I love cooking, but not for people really, for myself. I don't want to be in the heat in my kitchen all the time. So now you do it just home. Just for family, but not for, you know, for a living, for a scene. Not for a living, folks. Not anything that you don't manage to eat. That's a lot of eat. Stick and stay. I'm going away. So I'm going to go about. It's called Escovitch fish. Escovitch fish with some fried dumpling. And you know, I want to link up with Cameron because I want to learn how to make a roti. The roti dumpling, yeah, the roti. The roti tin. Yeah. I want to know how to make it. That was quick too. That wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad. So after doing this now, so I should throw some vinegar on it. Throw the vinegar on it to make it go on and cover it up. So once you get the marinate for at least half an hour, cameraman say good. So cameraman, try your style and see how it be. Yes, cameraman, I'm gonna try your style and see how it be. So do it very early. Cover it up. Yes, peeps, stick on stick. Yes, peeps, so now I'll cut up my fish now. I'll cut up this fish rather. Yes, I'm gonna cut up this fish. As you see, one big head. It's a very big jackfish, peeps. The head big? Yeah, very big jackfish. So, try to take it out of the fridge from this man and put my butter in my fridge, but I forgot. Just yesterday I put in it, but the fridge I kick like Van Damme, peeps. The fridge is kicking like Van Damme. Yeah. Yes, peeps. See how the ears on it, how it's fat. This is the ears part. So if you can see it good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So Jamaican uncle was saying, big up yourself, Jamaican uncle. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, brother. Jamaican uncle. See, peeps? Fat. I don't know that already. I'm gonna shell it. Shellings, people. They did it wicked little later. So I'm put this in water with peeps, man. Tell you, that's why it's tough, see me. Right, I should still need the flour and come back to this. Still need the flour and come back to this, peeps. But me I tell you, peeps, the fish are big and nice. And you know, all night, you know, peeps. Fish big, but you know, all. You know, sometimes some fish big and all tough. No. No. It's just big and nice. Same time, my peeps, so be careful when I do. I can't afford to cut myself. So I cut myself, I have to take care of myself. Me alone there came on. Nobody to work and take care of me. Yeah. This is it, peeps. So that part here, debone. Yeah. Very thick, peeps. Yeah. Thick. This is a jackfish, peeps. Yeah, look at that. You know, I got it too thick neither. Nice, come on, if you want to sharpen still. Sharp still, but you know. So a fish easier to cut when a little bit of ice in it. Yeah. This is a whole heap of fish peeps. Serve a family. 1 week, family of 4. Yeah, a week. I know, so the guy they have some snapper fish. Some little snapper. I said, no, so I don't want a snapper. Give me that big jack there. Yeah. Give me this big jack fish. Big fat fish. I think from pot. There it is. There. Pot almost full up already with fish. I think this too big, you know. You don't want to fry them. And then not soak, even though I fry in all the oil still. Make sure so it's soaked properly. See? I'm going to cut up it like that. I slice up it so the oil can get between it. Yes, you see it? Slice up it like that. Yeah. Take that, you know. Then add a piece of the deal with this. So I always like to cut off the fin and everything. It's not really the fake cram me up or cook me when I season it. Yeah. Not really the fake cut me when I season it. Dog not even a yard, that's for the dog that would be nice with this. Fall then and eat it just like your dog and let it. So just one big lime now. And I actually didn't like use vinegar to wash our fish. I like use lime, straight lime. I don't like how vinegar make you feel. So I use the lime straight. This small fin, eh? So cut it off. Yeah. Yeah, $1 still enough. Yeah, kind of sharp. The fold them on the back of 5 feet. Fish meat. Yeah. This may avoid it, avoid chopping really in the kitchen because when you chop, you mess up everywhere. I don't like that. So now, I'm gonna clean up it first. Because when I clean up it first, then when I'm done, I still go clean up it, slice them. Right in there. And then I'm going to cut my head here. Not too good. No, I'm going to put a door on there. Throw some of the water out of this. Yes, please. Ouch. Yesterday I damaged my finger in my peeps. Yesterday I damaged my finger. Yeah, so. Yeah, where's Jamaican? They'll clean out all of them black something here. They look like intestines to the fish. Okay. Take a little time, but do it properly. Gotta do it properly. Because some people too, even me, I eat fish from nobody and I say all of them and nobody want it. Well, then now, you know, so I'm going to cut it. Let's make a slice of the fish first. So, come and slice up, you know, if you slice it between the bone. Like that. Like this. Right between the bone, make it easier. Yeah. Yes, it's a giant in my bone. You slice it right in there, so. Just slice it right in there. Let me know, find now. Yeah. So peeps, no need to chop or mess up the place. Very easy to cut. Very, very easy. Roast with the meat, let's have a little bit of ice. Make it easier. Okay. So just cut it right in my giant. So that's why in big fish here, you cut your debone half height. Yeah. Very easy to cut up. See peeps, so this fat look like sliced fish. Yeah. Look at that. Very good. Look at that. As I said, it's a fresh fish. Yesterday, guy just come from sea. You go see from in the early morning and come back home night day. So when I went there, I just scale them. It's a fresh fish. It's fresh fish. Not supermarket fish. Yeah, some like it. No, supermarket fish. Yeah, look at that. Got it. Nice slices, like a machine we use and cut them. What on a machine, peeps? As you can see, I am the machine. I am the machine, peeps. Okay. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that, yes. Oh, nice. So. Yeah. It's quick and simple. Cut it in a giant and you're good to go. Whew, still tired still. I don't know if I get dull, I may have to use strength. As to this is the tail. Now let's go with tail part normally nice. Really nice. So yes peeps, stick and stay. Let me get online. How much that be? What is? You see peeps? Beautiful little fish. One pot of fish. So I'm going to put a Ziploc bag. So I'm going to put a portion in it. So and put on something next time and put the egg separate to boil soup. Put the egg separate to boil soup peeps. But I got a lot of fish to eat. Let's see how much. that only piece. We're not going to fry all of this. I'll fry it today and tomorrow. So, on Sunday. So I think this is enough. Yeah. Let's the water out that door. This is enough to eat today. Would I say enough? I know enough in a piece. Good piece, man. So, I can get 2 eat out of this or more. So, put in a ziplock bag here and put it in the fridge. So now, I get a big lime and wash off this. Get a big lime and wash off this and then season it up. Stick and stir. I'm going to make it on fire, olive fire. So let's peeps. I'm going to season up this now. Wash off it. I'm going to wash it off. Some lime. Lime and juicy. Real juicy peeps. Yeah, the lime is full of juice. This lime is very juicy. Put that shit rubbish here. See, so yeah. Then you season it up now. Keep so much water in it. Then when too much water in it now, and you fry it, so you burn it up more. Let that splash up. Yeah, so I'm getting enough water out of it. Yeah. Enough of the water out of it. And season it up. And this is some jerk season. Yeah, I'm gonna Jamaican people, so I forgot to bring up season. Not too much. Not too much what to do. But peeps, I have a secret sauce. Yeah, so put my secret sauce on it and I'm done. I'm going to go to the supermarket and forgot to take up the Jamaican. The Jamaican season. Let's eat that peeps. So I use some pumpkin noodle, give a nice flavor. You know the noodle pan it. Everybody do anything different, so I do my own different also. You don't want the noodle pan it. So I strain off the noodle. Strain off the noodle peeps. That's good enough. No more than that. So that is it. So I'll show you what I am. Like this, yeah. That is it, peeps. So this now, we'll stay and go and marinate. You know, I'm going to need the flour. Yeah. See peeps, so look. Yeah. You know, I'm going to need the flour. So stick and stay peeps, not going to worry. So yes peeps, I have to resort to my GoPro. Yeah, to resort to my GoPro because the phone that I normally use, see my phone start getting enough trouble. So I have to use my GoPro tonight. What a setup, what a mad still. With the light on the side of the GoPro. Like it open the line, my peeps. Yeah, so see that? So I'm there. So I'm gonna need some flour now. Because everything else ready. Yeah, and from a fish I go see for like evening and night. Light night kitchen, but the light not bright enough. Peeps. Yeah. Yeah. I need some flour now to make some fried dumpling. I don't need too much. I think that's enough. I think that's enough. Put a little bit of caramel in there, not too much, just a bit. Because I'm afraid I'm fried, so I don't want too much caramel. Oh, forget the salt, please. Make a fit out. Yes, and get the salt. Yeah, I get the salt. I put it a little closer. Then on the GoPro. As we say, using a GoPro now. Tonight I'm using my GoPro. Because the phone that I use, which is the iPhone 13, I don't know, it just start blank out. But at one point it did drop in here. So I think I start with that. Long time I mash up on phone, no people. Long time on phone I mash up from me. Because I don't normally mash up phone. So hopefully you can get one cheap one. And every month I buy back one cheap one. And this is the baking powder. No one put too much. Put too much with bitter. Baking powder. And then I don't need it now. Yes, I don't need it, peeps. Quick and fast. And then I put on the pot. So the fish can go and fry. Yes, it can stay. I'm gonna, yeah, you can feel the baking powder in it. Long time I do this, it's a long time I make flour. Some people buy self-rising flour. You just knead it on. You don't have to add no baking powder to it. You can fry. Self-rising flour, but I like to do it natural. I put my mind sharp. I put too much water in it, just to realize. Just want a little bit more water, not too much, babes. So, put my hand like that. Yeah. Normally, it's an ear, so you're supposed to use knead it, but should the container not big, you have to use my fist. Yes, babe, so quick and fast. It's not take long, babes. This now take long. Alright, see it now. Done and done. And so, cover up this now. You see it now. And the flour this so. Now, get this so. My onion and carrot, sweet pepper, hot pepper. And then my fish so. Same time. So, stick and stay peeps. And wash my hand. And put on the pot. Region. Yeah. Put on the pot same time. Yeah, a black back door for a breeze blow out the back door. No, fine. That's this, so. That is it. Ouch. So let the fat boy eat up. So stick and stay. I'm going away. Yes, peeps. So, pot the pan on fire. With the oil. So put the pan on fire, peeps. So the oil, see there? So the oil are hot. Yeah, we got GoPro, you got GoPro and our GoPro not ready for night. But, as I say, the resort to my GoPro. I have to draw for my GoPro in night, peeps. Oh. And then the light, I have one light, I light too bright in my face, peeps. Too bright in my eye. Yeah, the light I was worth buying, you know. Yes, peeps, stick and stay. And so now I don't know, yeah, scrape off the season off of the fish and get the fish ready to start frying. Stick and stay. I'm gonna. Yes, peeps. The oil is hot. And the oil is so hot. Yeah. The oil is so hot. As I get this ready. Drop the seasoning for the fish. Yes, peeps. Yeah. So I go on, so you want to see what I go on? Yeah. The iron really hot yet. Not hot enough as yet. Yeah. Sometimes this thing will come in taller. Sometimes it will come in so tall. Yeah. So yes, peeps, when it's hot so I can kick off the ball. Yeah. It get real hot so the fish them can deep fry. The fish can deep fry, peeps. Yes, I think this hot enough, peeps. So I'm going to put in the fish now. I'm going to put the pepper in the pot and try and manage it. Hot pepper and chicken and all. That's it. Up and running. Look at that. And see any peeps? Look there. Look at that. Yeah. Up and running. Man down. Yeah. Good to go. Yeah. Say peeps. Stick and stay. I'm going to the house and look something to drink now. Not going away. Yes, peeps, I'm still going to the pattern now. I'm blowing it, man. I'm just still make the oil hotter. So, turn up still. So, turn up. Then you take stick and stay. Don't go no way. In the flour over here, so. Ready for fry? Yes, and vegetable over here, so sort out like Cameron say. Big up yourself, Cameron. So Cameron's gonna see it. I'm smell the pizza and there's the oven and smell it hot. You must say at least if you get it, if you cover it, put it down in the vinegar for at least half an hour, then it's good to go. If you got in it for more than half an hour, still you can cut it first. So yes, it's good to go. Now to cover up my pot good because in the one night, the flies and still bother me in my kitchen. Yeah. So I'm out here drinking a dragon in my kitchen. And I'm shorter now. So music. Anyway, stick and stay. I tell the people the light. I got the light from buy from Amazon. Put it to charge on it and I put on for the GoPro. Man, it is too bright for my eyes. Trust me, please. It's just too bright for my eyes. Right. Anyway, stick and stay. Yeah, come on. Yes, we got music and food. Good to go. Yes. So I got my JBL box out here. Yeah. Music and food, please. What more I want than that? Music and food work together. Yeah. Come on. So peeps, so my brown now, come on and look. That is it. That's my jack fish. Yeah. So in the kitchen, you got music and food. What more can you ask for? Yeah, come on, come on. And dance like some white people. So yes, peeps, you know, it's good to be alive. Yeah, I'm going to put the light there deep in my body. The light, great. Too bright in my eyes, I look at it. Turn the music too loud. Yeah. I want it louder in my face. That's this. I'm going away. Long time I cook. Long time I know if I cook in my kitchen.
Life is a winding road.
You hear that? Life is a winding road.
Tell you where it goes.
No telling where it goes.
Driving through days and nights.
Alright.
Won't stop for traffic light.
Alright.
And I searching for my highs.
So I'm gonna get this ready to put the fish in. Put the fish in this dish. So peeps, I have to have one hand oil on me in the kitchen. Yeah, only for hand oil. I use it like crazy.
So high, trusting
Wait first and put my dish. You see, I got to first set of fish them now. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the first set of fish. Thing with the GoPro and a GoPro can zoom and stuff like that. Right, see it. Take out some jack fish. Yeah. Yes, that is it. The tips? Hello. Come on, come on, come on. Even if the sky is falling down, I am frying fish.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Yeah, tastes good, babe. Pips. It's hot. It's getting hot in here. Real hot in here. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. So peeps, if I follow all the fish sweet, I eat that whole like the fry. Every minute we taste piece. Every minute I taste piece. So this I lost out my pot. Yeah, I'm going to make it steady and one fry. Now it seems that I should have fried more peeps. It's a big 7-pound jack. And it probably let me alone right off one jack. And I'm hot. Trust me. Yes, peeps, not a lot. Before I'm done frying fish, my belly's supposed to full. Yeah. Let me show my fry. Oh my gosh. Let me show my fry tips. One side done already. Light drop tips here. Huh? One side done already on my fry. Okay. Most of it done already. And look at that. Every time look, I taste one other piece. I want a little piece. Alright, boys, you say. Taste one little piece. I want a little piece when it's done. I can look it done. I'm not eating no more piece. I'm not going to eat anymore. That's not good. Then at the same time, see what I'm going here, so yeah. I'm not trying this. Wait on the fish steam there. Big up yourself, Cameron. Cameron family. Yeah. Big up Cameron. And Queen Sheba. Yeah, Cameron said that's how you're supposed to can do it. And I really have to fry up this. Stir fry this. Yeah, because normally I stir fry it, I can put it in the soap. That leaves half an hour. Look at it. And the carrot them, actually vinegar will soften the carrot. Yeah, I'm sure. Pepper hot too. Pepper hot speed. Yeah, it tastes good. Actually, it tastes better than when you stir fry. Tell the truth. Cameron, big up yourself again. Cameron Family TV, big up. Teach me something. Yeah. I'll never put on island night or nothing like that. Stir fry. And it tastes good. No more eat the carrot like this now. It's as long as it stays in the vinegar in it at least half an hour. It's tender, and actually this carrot feel much tender. It don't feel so raw. Yeah, but it's fresh steam here. Even if stick and stay, I'm going away. This place when I get in fish the first turn. Probably the last sight. And normally sometimes the last set of fish then always burn. Turn them up the music, but we're not gonna make it burn this time. Yeah, we're not gonna make it burn this time. So that's enough eat. The fish is quite oily, but when I fry fish don't like it to shrink. Right, I should have fried more. Woo. And at the time I fry fish, every time I'm frying fish, at the time I remember that I need a taller fork. I'm going to Jamaica, but then sell tall fork. I'm going to carry back none. I had too much things on my mind, trust me. I need another mind. My mind full up, I need another mind. Yes, peeps, my mind is full up. I need another mind. I need two minds. Yeah. Whew. Look at me. I am sweating. And the kitchen is so hot. I mean, see when I use marine on my face, I may have on towel. Dirty a bit. So that's one and the fish are done fry now. And then we start make the dumpling them, because I'm not making a small dumpling. Small dumpling take too much time, so I just make them broad and then I cut them in a fork. Yeah. That's how I used to do it when I'm smaller in order for it to share. So it's almost finished now, peeps. I'm come home at time. Come home to 6 or after 5 and it's after 7 now. That's not too bad. It's not done, don't eat early this evening. So I'm finished fry the aisle, fry this fish now. I can throw away that aisle and throw more aisle in it. Otherwise the flour, the dumpling and now will taste right. Yeah. And big up Cameron family again. Yeah. Almost ready, peeps. Yeah, almost done. Yeah, that's my best friend. Music, my GoPro, my phone, my laptop, and my drone. Once I have them there, my internet service is good to go. And of course, when I'm on live and talking to you guys, it's the best time of my life. Yeah. Interacting with you, commenting and you liking and sharing and we chatting. Love that. Big up on yourselves. For all of you always coming on the live and all of you who don't come on it, yeah. Just watch notification and live and just come on. Yeah, and chat. Ask any question you want to ask about my life, about game and about Jamaica. Today. Yeah, I love to interact. Big up on yourself. So now we are taking out them fish now. We are going to take out the rest of the fish. So this is the last of the fish. And the blood. And we just want to fry the dumpling. So we can mash up the dumpling. And guess what, tips? Guess I'm going to wash it down with some lemonade. And we get some big juicy lime. I'm going to say, I'm going to make some lemonade. Yeah. Whew. Ah, gosh. Let's eat. See, the fish then shrink. I like a little bit of fish. I get fish and then fry that spur for me. I think that's spur head a while ago. Yes, give some of dash of the oil here now. And put on some oil. Let's look at the fish. The piece. Like a fish shrink. Not there. Like it shrink. Fish get a little bit deep. Anyway, stick and stay. And throw the oil. Put on some new oil on the fire. I'm gonna wash out the frying pan. Now get it ready. Get it ready to fry the dumpling then. And then we'll put oil to fry the dumpling. Don't need a lot of oil to fry dumpling, please. Yeah. So as soon as that get hot, they get hot, then we start putting the dumpling in it. So this is how I'm going to make the dumpling. Oh, make one from this. Yeah, this is how I'm going to make the dumpling. Like this. So I'm going to say, I will link up Cameron, you can show me how to make the roti. Yeah, this is how I'm going to do it, please. Yeah. Like this. But you know, roti then use something to roll it. So this is dumpling, this is not roti. Yes, wow. This is dumpling. Dumpling, dumpling, dumpling. Dumpling, dumpling, dumpling. Dumpling, dumpling, dumpling.
Dumplings.
Yeah. Dumpling and not roti, you know? I will link up some Indian and then show me to make it roti.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, this is dumpling, but it's easy to fry. I think this oil hot enough, yeah? Yeah. And here burn up because I'm thin. Fry it quick. I turn the stove to oil, stove to ice. The fire is too high, please. Yeah. So dumpling, 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 dumpling. Yes, please. So when I make a little dumpling, let's let them come on finish. The kitchen is hot. Can you imagine working at the heat and come over and cooking at the heat again? You have to wait a long while before you bathe. Let's see. Alright, see? Very quick and then fry. Put salt in the pot. Cheese and peas. Peas, you know, the dumpling are gonna fresh? No. No, I think I put salt in it, yeah. I think I put salt in it, yeah. I think I put salt in it, please. Because I never put no salt in it when I season the fish, so I think when they bring out the salt back, so I must need to put the salt. So this is the first one, peeps. This is the first one. Ready? Holy smoke!
That's how you do the thing.
Is this? Ready? Why? One no nice. Not at all. See peeps? Yeah. So that's one. So roughly I get about, I'll think about 5 out of it. Roughly. Or 6. Let's see how much I get out of it, please. Nice size. So now fry fish, Steve, later tonight.
Yeah.
Or early morning.
Oh, really?
Early morning. I'm not for your style at all.
I will go there. I will tell you when I get hungry.
Yeah.
Then I eat.
Yeah. Steve's burn up my finger. Burn up my finger, babes. Holy smoke. Ah, I can feel my finger burn up, babes. Feel it heat. See your babes? Alright. Ready. Ah. Cheese and peas. Burn up my finger, babes. Whew. You know, peeps, when I cook in the kitchen, you have to be very careful. Burn up yourself with ease. I'm a light I get. Yeah, like the battery I drain. Yes, peeps, that's it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it, peeps. Now, all for your kitchen. Good amount of oil and hot and good. Quickly try and fry because then tin and baking powder in it. So you know, yeah. Yes, please. So by the time I'm done make one, the other one fry. Just like that, please. Quick and fast and thin. So we get too much already. I get this 4, 4, 5, 6 I get out of peeps. 6 is good enough. If I fry now, this is the way I'm gonna do it with my finger. See peeps? Yeah. So now I'm gonna fry. So I'm going to do it like this and spread them with some baking powder and a little bit of caramel. And then so I'm going to do like this and stick the fork in the middle so it soak through it. So, yeah, you eat, soak through it so you fry. Easy, quick and easy. Simple. Just like that. Yeah. I'm not showing this size jack fish. Can we take a picture of the jack? It was a huge one, really huge piece. It was humongous. That one I don't fry it no piece. I can move fast. Turn it again. It's brown and look pretty golden brown. So I like them. I can't make it stay too long because it's burn. Dumpling it burn quick. At the oil, you know. So the oil splash up a while ago and burn up on the finger. Burn 2 of my fingers. Oh, I can feel the sweat around my neck. Gosh, big. Oh my gosh. So me drop my light again. Good thing so it's not easy, so easy for damage. Make sure I can order 2 more from Amazon. Because they are quite handy. Yeah. They are very handy. The light here. Come on. This. This is it, this. Yes, so this is the last one, please. This is the last one. Oh my gosh. This is the last one, babes. The last one, last one. Yeah. So the first one I'm going to pop there. Oh gosh, shit. See how I'm gonna. Are you go for dinner? Are you go for dinner?
You want?
Gosh, must be done in time. Must be done. Come on, don't please. I say I look for dinner, the dinner I go for dinner. I say I go in for dinner. I pay for one.
Yes, I mean, you see avocado on top. You see avocado on top.
And that means say?
Nice.
Where you going with them? I don't know where you going with. So yes, peeps, this is the last one. Alright, that is it. So stick and stay. I'll make some lemonade now. And they know what time to eat. So I'm gonna. So yes, peeps, I make some lemonade now. Some lemonade, lemonade. Some lemonade, peeps. There's some big lime, peeps. Lime them juicy. What's the juice? No, I said, no man, faster I buy them. But them juicy man. Oh, thank you, lime juice. But no lime. You know, if you come to the airport, no lime. Not all the lime, I go hide them left. Search and find trouble.
Jan.
Hmm?
Lime.
Yeah man, you can't, you're not supposed to carry nothing like that, no fruits or nothing like that. I think unless a peel or a juice. I'm gonna keep up conk and write me up feet, so next time you won't find me. I'll pay a big fine. Yeah man. You could have charged me but they let me off with a warning. Yeah. I'm not care of tangerine at one time. I write tangerine. My name? Neesberry, I'm sitting on right time. I care of Neesberry and Neesberry then turn. By the time I reach up, Neesberry then right. Yo, I tell you, I tell them say nice suitcase, you know. When time I come, yo, Neesberry then stink up in the airport. You could hide them. I tell the woman say Neesberry in her bag, in her suitcase. Neesberry then hi. I said no, I'm right, I'm good enough. I'm gonna take up my right knees right then. I mean, I said, I can't just eat them, so. I throw them in the garbage. You want them? You don't throw them in the garbage.
Where is it?
Yeah, I'm throw them in the garbage. Get on. They're bringing up fruits and stuff. They can cure up, then they can cure disease. As in some disease with a fruit. And that majority of fruit them are there. So that's why. I carry fish and stuff that they cook. Meat and then you have to cook. Or pre-cook or frozen or so. I feel up my earphone and come, man. You hear me like curry come up. I said, no, not so. You have to have a license to bring it up. Yeah. Yes, it's lemonade. Lemonade peeps. Dinner turn up this evening. Escovitch fish. Fried dumpling and lemonade. Yes, peeps. I know, man. Nah, man, fam. You know, a spoon and mix it good. Sugar and butter might see me. Like that. This is lemonade, Jamaican style, aka sugar and water. And it's so not, this is the best thing we drink. Yes, piece of ice now that now. I'm dinner ready. Stick and stay. I'm gonna. Peeps, it's sharing time. Turn up the light, yes. So it's sharing time now. Yeah. Some lemonade. Some dumpling then. So peeps. So I'm just brought them dumpling like how Jesus in. He broke the bread and shared it with him and the 12 disciples. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Jesus broke the bread in the peeps and shared it with him and the 12 disciples. I don't know by right bread not for cut though. They're supposed to broke. Just like how Jesus did it. That's enough. And look at that peeps. Look at that.
Should I carry bread in that? Should I carry bread in that?
You know what taste it?
No, I'm good. I'm
not taste it. It's sweet or nothing. Taste sweet?
No, sir.
Alright.
You depend on the right temperature.
I never must have taste it.
If you want the sweet,
I don't like sweets too. I whatever like sweet things. So yes, peeps. I don't know if I'm eating enough enough. I'm not thinking I'm eating enough. I'm eating enough. It's my lemonade, huh? A piece of ice in it, yeah. Taste lemon. It's not sweet. Not sweet and not fresh. It's alright. So look at this, peeps. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this, peeps. Look at this. I'm a thumbnail. This is a thumbnail. Yeah. My God. Yes. I can't tell this does look good, this tastes good. I'm gonna eat fried dumpling. I haven't said before, long time. No restaurant food that tastes so.
You not make people look like you get them hungry now.
Yeah?
You make people see.
When people see me, you might get hungry.
They get them hungry. Then when you fat speak for
Hello people. Glass of lemonade. Look at that. There. With a little bit of ice in there. Look at that. Yummy from my tummy. As you know, peeps, I cannot stand up and eat this, finish eat this. So, I must look at the seat and eat. So, if you watch the video to the end, as I hope you do watch the video to the end, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah. Tell a friend about Bull 5777. Yeah. So, until next video, keep thinking about the fish. I'm really hungry, I'm gonna eat now still, and the light bright on my face. So until next video, big up on yourself. One fire, goal fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down and in.